Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install spam filtering with Gmail Advanced Settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account on your preferred web browser. Locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab at the top. Click on the Create a New Filter option. In the pop-up window, you will see various fields to filter your incoming emails. To filter spam, type common spam keywords or email addresses in the Has the Words field. Click on Create Filter to proceed. On the next screen, select Delete it or mark as spam based on your preference. You can also choose Never send it to spam for trusted senders. Once you have made your selections, click Create Filter to confirm. Your new filter will now be applied to incoming emails. To enhance your spam filtering further, return to the Settings menu. Select the General tab next to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Scroll down to the Spam. Ensure that Enable Spam Filtering is checked to keep it active. Once you finish setting your preferences, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Your Gmail is now optimized for better spam. Regularly check your spam folder to ensure that important emails are not being filtered out. Adjust your filters as needed to refine your spam prevention strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.